what I'd like to try is for you guys to tell me individually what's more important to you to find out from your genome. Would you be more interested in the ancestry information or the health information that it could give you? Jenny, why don't you tell us? Is there one more than the other?
Because achondroplasia comes with a myriad of medical complications, I would be more interested in the medical.
Okay, Kuguri?
I think it's medical. I'd give medical maybe 60, 50, 80%, and Ancestry 20.
Okay.
I think it's medical, but it's really tough because I also am very curious about the ancestry, particularly being Jewish and not being able to go back that far with the relatives who came from Eastern Europe. Not being able to know who these people were is, kind of, if we could find something out, that would be great.
For me, the ancestry is the first thing that makes me the first kind of information I want, and then the medical would be something I would keep checking long term.
I guess mine would be the ancestry. Although the medical is also important to me, but definitely the ancestry.
I mean, is the information going to actually change anything, or is it just going to inform you?
I definitely think it has the potential to change quite a bit. I mean, reconnecting with my biological parents is an experience that I think, even though I have my real parents now that will always provide the support, regardless of me finding my biological parents, I think having that connection, that new individual in my life, will have a profound impact on me, as well as the medical information. Like, it has the potential to have a profound impact.
What about you, Ryan? You think it would change how you act, how you behave?
I don't think so. I think for me it's more of a just learning about me and my personal genetics and also my ancestry. It's just more of a, it's a curiosity thing.
Mm-hmm. Carol?
Anxiety.
Causing more anxiety or less anxiety?
Causing more anxiety. Of not knowing what's ahead. Of course, we don't know anyway, but when there's some prediction that there's a possibility, and understanding statistics and percentages of possibilities, that creates some anxiety. But I can convince myself that it's good to know and take action. Mm-hmm. So I'm pragmatic, but at the same time, it does produce a certain amount of anxiety for me.
Mm-hmm. Jenny?
I'm thinking about this question from the perspective of my average-sized parents, and then 30 years later from me when I was expecting a child. And so they're two different things. I'm a mutation, so I came out from nowhere, unexpectedly, with my parents. When they found out, when the diagnosis was confirmed, I was 18 months old, and that allowed them to just get right on track with Little People of America, the National Support Group, finding the top orthopedic surgeons in the area, that sort of thing. So I think it was really helpful for them. Of course, I don't remember that. I was 18 months old. As far as, when I was pregnant, again, it goes back to knowing ahead of time what was inside of me and what we had to prepare for was monumental.
Mm-hmm.